In today's video, I'll show you how to send update requests automatically in Smartsheet so your team stays informed and your project data stays up to date without manual follow-ups. First, open your browser and sign in to your Smartsheet account. Once you're on the home page, select the project sheet where you want to set up the automatic update request. At the top of the sheet, click on Automation. Next, click on See More Templates to explore available automation options. Choose the template, alert someone when anything changes, then click Use Template. In the Run Workflow section, select Daily to schedule how often the updates are sent. Add the email address of the recipient who should receive the updates. Finally, click Save to activate the automatic update request. And that's it. That's how you send update requests automatically in Smartsheet.